NQ, plus 1 touch. Never risk more than you can lose. It's the law of survival and speculation.
Test. Okay. Let's get it. Today's DHC, check for X Factory. News at 3 p.m. Okay. In half an hour to this. Okay, well, I guess I will wait for news to clear. HDF chart. HDF. So on the weekly well, let's start on the monthly. As a matter of fact, I want to swap them. Fuck. Something like that. So on the months we just bounced off of a +1 at 750, going to +2 I guess at 900-ish, and that's where I will be looking for potential fade. Some strong buying coming in just now. We are at an extreme on the weekly. This reminds me long-term VWAP is something, if that's something I want to pay attention to. Anyway, we're at +2 on the week. Let me add it. Weekly. Here. Ah, fucking hell, this annoying thing is still here.
Never risk more than you can lose. It's the law of survival and speculation.
This bug is still here. I don't know how to get rid of it. Anyways, we'll pay attention to that, doesn't matter. Here I have this line I can't get rid of, which is very annoying. So we're at +2 on the week. We are building a node higher, but buying here would be foolish in my opinion. Need some sort of a retracement pullback. We have news in 15 minutes. At an extreme.
NQ, -1 touch.
Definitely some signs of the resistance here of the shift. Yeah, what? Okay, let's see. Still pushing. What is gold doing? Gold is doing fuck all. I need to start paying attention to these numbers to see what's good, what's not good. 57, okay, RL 110, 57, okay. 200, RL 86. Not the best, but let's see, maybe the news are coming. We're definitely at an extreme. I would like to see a short opportunity. We're at extreme intraday plus on the week at +2. $1,700 delta. This max value is definitely wrong. I'm not sure what the fuck. Oh, there you go. 1,700, 1,500. Okay.
NQ, +2 touch.
Are we gonna get the right numbers? Nope. Maybe now? Nope. Yo, why is it blinking so hard? Still no. I really don't like this fucking blinking. 1,700. You're okay, man. Come on. Give me the right value.
You need to insert conscious thought into your trading.
Okay, I'm just gonna re-add it. Save defaults, apply, remove, add. Still wrong. Okay, whatever. Close enough, but this blinking is annoying.
Big buy.
Quite a build up here. POC shifted. Would like to see something like that. Okay. Fucking blinking is still there. For some reason it's blinking, I don't know why. Linux. Linux. Quite a bit of buying here. Is this enough though? I'm not sure. Alright, well I guess that's not gonna happen. That's the scratch idea. Here's another blink. God damn it. There's definitely a lot of...
Most traders think they lose because their analysis is wrong. That's not it. They lose because their position is wrong.
Okay, some more selling. News in 3 minutes. We have this massive node here. POC is at the high. We're at an extreme. On the day, on the week, would love some sort of a stop run and then exhaustion and then... But will I get it? I don't know. The
NQ, -1 touch.
That was, yeah, definitely something that I saw, but did I get a nice entry? Not really. Have news. Okay, cool. I'm gonna continue watching. Here's VWAP on the day, plus and -1 of RTH could be a good spot for a bounce.
I trade one micro contract only.
Outdated information, but okay. Okay, gold is just doing nothing. I'm gonna not look at it. Could be interesting for a sell if we go up to here and start rotating down. That would be nice. We sold off, so from this point onwards we sold off. Not a lot of buying, not yet anyway. Sell VN, conduct as resistance, ETH +1, RTH +1 is right here. Would love something. This is RTH VWAP.
NQ, +1 touch.
Let's see. Not sure if I like this push by the buyers. They are pushing on the delta, not as strong, although 113, 142. I mean, that's not nothing. Yeah. That's way too deep, it seems. It's a bit flaggy on the cumulative delta. We did go back to the +1 of RTH. Maybe something like that would be interesting. We're at the point of control. Although I'm not a huge fan. But maybe that's exactly why I should take this trade. Difficult. Still delta is flaggy.
You will grow more as a trader from the things you do outside of actual trading.
Not super convincing from the buyers to continue higher. We are at point of control. I mean, yeah. Looks like they're gonna push through. Or point of control is definitely a resistance.
Big buy.
Someone is sitting there passively selling. Would love a little stop run or something for a reversal. Like a last gasp from buyers and then sellers to step in. Just don't like this massive node at the highs. Usually that means the ship is turning. Maybe tag these +2 lines. Which will break this high and start turning. Waiting for now. And is this when the buyers and the sellers are gonna step in? Let me refresh this. So let's say I am taking a sell right here, imaginary sell. Well, not right here, maybe slightly lower, somewhere here. I am in imaginary drawdown. Well, no, like taking a buy here is dumb. +2 on the day, +2 on the week, massive node, play a point of control resisting price. Unless they break it and start building higher, there's no point in buying here right now. Is this a break? Okay. It's nice to see. I should have left my order. Moved it higher or something. How much is this? 12 points. Yeah. Oh, look at gold. Finally. Breaking down. Strong selling. Came in the last whatever. Why is this different? 1K volume. What is this? 750. God damn it, it keeps changing. Chart settings. Save defaults. Stop changing, man. What the hell is this? What is this line, dude? It's like this. Okay, there you go. Save defaults. Alright, something like that. Looks good, nice and aligned. Ever since this high, we've been drifting. Nice to see, I mean, the price went up, but on cumulative delta it's a lower high. Pretty cool.
The market doesn't
But-
punish you for being wrong. It punishes you for staying wrong. It's
Yeah.
not the mistake that kills you. It's your refusal to survive it.
Okay, thank you. Nice to see. Nice to see. Gold. Well, we bounced off from -2 here. Yo, stop blinking, motherfucker. Here. I mean, sorry. -2 here. Here. Well, this, I mean, we did bounce off of it, but not immediately. Riding -2 and then bounce. 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 Are we gonna bounce here again? Maybe. Oh, this blinking is so annoying. Well, now we are at RTH VWAP. Don't want to engage here. We did hold at RTH VWAP. Well, if you want to call it a hold, quite a deep hold. We're gonna hold here as well. I don't know. I mean, it's a lower high. Buyers want it. Strong buying coming in. This candle is contracting with a higher low. Not a good look for sellers. At RTH VWAP, is it going to hold? Honestly, I wanted to not hold. A lot of conflicting stuff. And it's my job to distill this information into something actionable. A lot of conflicting stuff. RTH VWAP, don't want to trade here at all. Just gonna get chopped up. Like this build up to me doesn't look complete. From my experience, it usually gets revisited and cleaned up. Stop blinking, motherfucker. Why are you blinking? Looks like a wedge, to be honest. Higher lows and lower highs.
NQ, plus 1 touch.
We're just above RTH VWAP. Is this?
If you wish to
it?
control yourself, control your size. Discipline will
Yes.
from comfort.
Control your size, that's right. That's exactly what I'm doing. Again, some strong buying coming in, trying to push us through this wall, this build-up. Unsuccessful, I guess. I would like to take a short, but I mean, it was like 200s or something positive delta, and now we're just a bit of absorption, I guess. Sellers are pressing. Can I find the entry? Selling right at VWAP, I mean, come on, man. Do I want to do that? I will regret it. But it does look good. That burst of buying immediately shut down. I mean, shit. If I were in right here, I would have been in trouble. Does that mean, whoa, a lot of buying coming in again? The cumulative delta, you could see it flashing on time and sales. Feels like we're gonna break it, but again, with the higher time frame context being we are at an extreme on the months and on the week. Do I want to buy here? No. Does that mean I will not do it? No. I'm gonna press the buy button now. I mean, if I were selling, my imaginary trade would be underwater. So maybe the continuation is to the upside. There's some strong buying coming in again. Yep, and again. And again. Why is my alert not firing off? I guess because I wasn't aggregating it, now I am.
Big buy.
Yeah, there you go, 75. Yeah, my imaginary cell underwater and then we're pumping higher. But goes to show, like, selling at VWAP, just asking for trouble.
Big buy. NQ, -1 touch.
And also evidence before of VWAP holding here, well, with a bit of a detour, and here then the sellers gave in a little bit, but it's not over yet. Because we have this wall, imaginary wall, that is the wall that is supposed to work as a wall, but will it? I don't know. Would love a stop run and then fizzle out and reverse, just to clean up this build up. Interesting how this works. This imaginary trade idea I really like. I just saved myself 1 hour. Well, I wasn't planning on taking it anyway, just because we were at VWAP. But yeah, okay, I'm gonna keep watching. Oops, sorry.
The hardest part is trusting that doing nothing is the right move. But that's where professionalism begins.
Thank you, Derek. buyers pushing through. That's cool. Can we clean up this mess?
Big buy.
Hmm. Okay,
Big buy.
so we cleaned up that high. We tagged +2 in the week. We tagged +2 on RTH and ETH sessions. We have a lot of offers getting filled here. We have crazy buying, 600, 300. Yeah. I mean, shit. Would love to start the fizzle out process to look for a sell. The buy, I guess, was right here when I was taking imaginary sell. But
NQ. +2 touch.
how's gold doing? Holy, gold did not disappoint. +2, I mean -2, pumped. That is crazy. Second time. Well, no. So 1, 2, 3, fourth time of the day. Bouncing at -2. Beauty. Maybe I should set up alerts for gold as well. For plus and -2. Only.
Never let a single position decide your future.
That's right.
Big sell. Big sell. Big
What
sell.
in the fuck is going on?
What's going on?
Big sell.
No, I was literally about to say, if they
What?
if they can get it
Big
below
buy.
83, I'll sell
Holy
it.
fuck.
Look, this is gonna be my trade. For
Big sell.
fuck's sake. They're gonna
Big
buy
sell.
it straight back. Yeah, that kind of does
What's
it for
going
me.
on? Is
Jack.
this some
What the-
Trump
what
shit?
on earth?
What is this? Whoa.
Some Trump.
Does someone want to let us know what went on? Someone that's more
Big
good
sell.
up with news or something happened.
Something is
How much
happening.
did they sell here? A lot, or it was just a book?
Big buy.
Or someone flattened.
Oh, there's so much selling at that low. They're going nowhere.
Big sell.
Did they touch the 500 minutes? No, it should get straight back.
I mean, we're gonna buy it back up.
Nasty. No follow through yet either.
Yeah. USC's Russian oil tanker. Is that what it was? Yo, is Trump just like low key? Is he just doing what he wants to do now? He's just.
Midterms are this year, no? Midterm elections, chat?
Big buy.
Oh, NVIDIA news. I gotcha. Kind of a BS headline. Yeah. Yeah, midterms are. Yeah, Kane. I don't think that I mean, it wouldn't make sense to really ruffle the feathers that hard, versus just building on, their current momentum of what they're doing. Because midterms are this year.
Oh yeah. How do midterms work again?
It's just like, I honestly I don't know, but I know it's it's incredibly important for both sides of the aisle from an election standpoint. It's midterm elections, but I don't know who's up for re-election or whatever. Like that's not my forte. Don't want to ruffle the feathers. Yeah.
A lot of Congress is up. Isn't like the
all of
average
it?
age in Congress
Most of
like
it.
70 something?
Yeah, it's bad.
That needs to go, doesn't it?
Yeah. I'm gonna take a stab at a short here. Just
Yeah.
continuation. Just a one lot. Got a little bit of profit on the day. I'm just gonna. I know that the headline was kind of a BS headline, but it might put some pressure on the market. Just kind of use it.
Anyway, so we tagged +2, sold off for whatever reason. Is this a pullback? For some continuation to the downside would be nice. To -2. I mean, We're at RTH VWAP again, so is this gonna be a mistake? This is some bullshit sell-off.
Big buy. Big buy.
Don't like that. Looks like it's gonna be an L, or?
When you lose 50% of your capital, you need a 100% return just to break even.
Yeah, crazy buying. Minutes break.
Why? What's the?
Yeah, that's the initial. That's the initial balance high.
You may suggest it. That increased my risk. $100 though.
I'll send you $100 Venmo if it doesn't work.
It's not even 100. It's 80. I'll wait at 83.5. You know what? Actually,
Big buy.
I quite like this trade. I'll sell both. Oh,
You just got them both.
I just got in both. I'll take 1 out of 10, and I'll stay in the 1 if they can get it there. Can I give my review on CL? I wouldn't be a CL trader right now, that's for sure. Venezuela just got taken over. So yeah. What's getting me in this trade? Your stop is for only 1 contract. Yeah, why is my stop only for 1 contract? Thank you. Oh, can't modify it because I linked it. Let me just do this. just doesn't exist anymore. You've broken it, and Tradeovate is broken. Not Tradeovate, sorry. TradingView. It's gonna break again. Wow. Yeah. Well, that's me done. I won't touch this. You can't link them in TradingView, which is a little bit annoying, to be honest with you. But that's a TradingView thing, not anything else. I think it's just a trend up. They're gonna fucking try again. I won't get baited into it, but it's the time that it plays, doesn't it? Towing PA. Yeah. It's definitely not the worst. Do you both trade smaller size on stream? Not really. I haven't really traded size since middle of last year, really.
I definitely cut it. I cut my size down. I mean, there's a lot going on, right? Like behind the scenes, there's staying up with the chat, staying up with the production chat. Trying to keep some level of conversation and entertainment going. So there's just a lot to focus on, in addition to trading, which is already quite challenging. It's not an easy task. And the other part of it is I don't come on here to brag or boast about how big of a trade I can put on. I'm just trading smaller size and talking about how I trade with you guys and what I'm looking at.
NQ, +2 touch.
For me, it's just kind of a two-part of, it's hard to trade on stream, just in general. And then, I'm focused on more or less explaining process and reasoning behind some trades. And I want to keep that at the forefront and not have to worry about, focusing too hard without being able to talk. Because if I did that, you would hear like zero talking from me.
Every man has greed inside him, but not every man learns how to master it. The way to master it is not by wishing it away, but by sizing your positions so that greed does not tempt you into ruin. Control your size, and you control yourself. Control yourself, and you control your trading. A man who sizes right can sit still. A man who sizes wrong must always run.
Thank you, Italian guy. It's hard, but I also enjoy it. Like, I enjoy coming on here and talking with you guys and talking markets. For one, you know, one thing about me from a trader standpoint is I love the game, right? So not only do I like to trade and make money, but I love to talk shop and talk trading in general. So I just massive love for the game itself. Is there an easy way to reset delta volume on the DOM? You can set it to certain rotations and just auto reset based on that. But I do like that idea of creating a tool that allows you to reset via a button click or a hotkey.
They still can't break through that area on ES. Looks horrible.
Really?
Yeah, they still just they can't get through the high. Well, that I guess that high they set, not the actual high. This one. It's just looking, it's like the open. We'll see. Trying again.
Yeah, if I had to guess, I would guess that that 7,000 level gets taken out.
Boys, how you doing?
Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning.
Are you guys both on the West Coast?
I'm in Chicago.
Oh, okay. You're in Chicago, so never mind. So it's only good morning for XY.
That's 10 o'clock here.
I mean, it's always good morning for me and my friends, but you know, technically it's getting.
We're looking
towards
at
the
like some
afternoon
leopard
here.
print.
What?
I figured you'd like this.
We got some leopard print going on right here.
Yeah, I was trying to camo in. I'm on the road today, so.
Where you headed?
You see his hoodie?
Where you going?
But yeah, I got a couple positions on right now. I'm long I'm really hoping that Russell makes a comeback. The mid of the week is where I'm long gold from, which seemed to react pretty well. And then just kind of morning support area. There was that NVIDIA news that hit, and I saw the tape start to flicker. What time was that? Like 9:40 or 10:40, somewhere around then. I was worried I was going to get taken out, but still, just basically NES in the Russell. Russell got that deeper pullback, but earlier this week it was outperforming all of the indexes. So as soon as we started confirming that low, I decided to get long. And I'm just trying to hold for new highs. Once, I mean, the Nasdaq's up there, hopefully the ES can follow, and the Russell would be last to get up there if we can get up there today. But
Yeah,
I'm going to be milking what I got on right now.
XYZ, you're not in anything?
I got it at the highs. I got that, that crazy move down.
Yeah.
I ended up filling 2 lots because, it was really spooky. And then got down to 1, and then I added 2 more when it retested like the overnight high area.
Yeah.
But I don't know. I didn't really have too many legs on it. So when it got to the highs, like, I'm just going to peel everything off.
See that V range on your chart finally.
It's been here. I've had it. You gonna tell everyone the secret what it's called?
Yeah.
It's been out here.
Secret green line.
Secret. These green lines are very, very secret.
Proprietary green lines.
Okay, so what the fuck am I doing? I can trade and break even on the day.
Cutting losses is an act of courage, not defeat. It's saying, I value my future more than my pride. It's saying, I'd rather take a controlled wound today than bleed to death tomorrow.
We are back at the extreme. 2 of my trades didn't work. Well, one imaginary sell immediately shot up. 1 real sell should have faded myself again. Right here. Hindsight stupid. I don't know why I shorted this impulse, whatever this was, at VWAP, and then it shot back up. So that's pretty dumb. Just gonna call it a day, I suppose. Still some strong buying coming in. VWAP held twice, and I kind of, well, when I took the trade I ignored it. Bias check-in. Yeah. Looks like we don't give a fuck about any extremes. Just gonna call it a day here, fuck it. Gonna keep watching, but I want to have a stream on. GG.